Well, hello everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you um the. I went to the Dollar Tree. It's raining. It's snowing. It's hailing. It's raining. It's snowing. It's hailing. So what better way than to say hi ho, hi ho, and so let's get started with it. I got I got. How's everybody doing, by the way? Happy spring, by the way. Ha ha ha. I got some Stars and Stripes, the fruit punch. The girls are liking this, so I'm getting this, and it lasts a lot longer. And then I got some chips. I got some plain chips. I got some honey barbecue. I got some tissue paper. It's red, pink, yellow, green, and blue, and just in a solid color because it was snowing. And well, it all started when my daughter and I made doctor's appointments for her kid and me to go to the doctor. The doctor's office called and said that she was leaving early because she lives in Maryland, and so she canceled the appointment. So we just decided to pick up the kids together and then do some quick shopping, and just in case we're stuck in, because they're talking about all kinds of different stuff. I got dun 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 Luigi's water ice always. Then I got some cookie mix. Then I got, now I'm not really sure, these are hoop and loop fasteners, so I got some of these in the square, the small ones. And then I got two of these in the big ones. So I got two of these. This is for my craft room, you know that. And then I got some glue. I got some white glue. It's funny because they had Elmer's glue there, but I have a big gallon of that, but I'm making something with this. And then I got some lunch meat to make some lunch after. So I'm just, kicking around the house and doing different things. And then, if you see a strange man running around the house, it's my husband. And then, I got 2 Easter eggs. I got the gold ones. I didn't, because I'm going to do something with the kids. They're big, so I'm going to do something with the little one. Then I got 2 of these in the pack for the Easter eggs. And then I got book. And then this is the notebook. This is the little notebook carnet. And then I got 2 tidy bowls for the bathroom upstairs. I got 2 of these. Then I got some sketch paper. You can see it's sketch paper. So I was kind of busy. I don't really. Oh yeah, and then I got some index cards too, by the way. I got these, so when I'm doing my books, I could cut them in half and put them in the little dividers that I put in there for them. Then I got some Junit. I got strawberry banana nectar. My husband likes this one. Okay, and then I got some mango. And then I got some bread. And another bag of chips. I got the jalapeno chips. Then, what I did, well, I got a Pepsi, you know that. And then, I got 2 of the tacky glue, the Arlene's tacky glue. I'm actually finding that now. It really wasn't there, but I got 2 of these. So I'm finding that there, and that's good. I got 1 Mod Podge, and that's in the glossy. I always get 1 or 2 of those. And then I got, this is what I did, okay? I got 4 Easter baskets. I got this one for Ari because she's a little girl. You know, she's 4 years old, going on 50. This is, these are all stuck in here sometime. But I was going to show it. Come on, seriously? Okay. I got 1 pink one for Angel. Got 1 purple one for Amira. And they can actually put things in there after. And I got 1 red one for Hadia. Now Hadia didn't have anything in it, but I'll put the ribbon around it myself. So I got there. I'm not making the Easter baskets, okay? I'm making things for the Easter basket, but not the Easter basket itself. If you follow me, about 3 years ago, maybe 4, I made the Easter baskets out of toilet paper rolls, and that was a job. And Easter, like, comes and goes, and it's not that I don't want to. It's just I can be doing other things with them because I have some things I want to do even on here. So this is, you know, 2 things to do that. Now, last but never least, I got two things of Scott tissue. Okay, because you know, like I said, I'm never going to let. I hope I never let that happen again. Let me put it like this: I got 2 things of Scott tissue, and then last I got these 2. These are pretty little design baskets, and I think I'm going to put them underneath so that I can put my papers in and stuff like that. And just each basket that I get, it just makes it look so much neater. So that's my shopping for today. In the snow, and the rain, and the hail, and whatever else it did out there. My daughter and I were like, So we, like I said, got the kids, came back home. So it's banging out there now, so who knows what's going to happen. But I will see you all later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Stay warm and stay safe.